myntri rangba ka jylla konrad ke sangma menta ka siu la pentep ba ka jialang jong ka kynhun myntri ka larai banthau ya tylli college hapoh ka jylla ba kanthop ya ka veterinary dairy and fisheries college bat kumju ru halo ka meghalaya district code ministerial service amendment rules habai kirambat kilat thai kubot myntri rangba ulai thu ba ya ka veterinary but dairy college onsna hakradem kulai ribhoi district kat ba ka fisheries hari lom garo but ya ka jaga shen onsasim ya ka rai.
Cabinet has decided that 3 colleges, 1 veterinary college, 1 dairy college and 1 fisheries college will be set up in the state. 2 of them, which is the veterinary college and the dairy college, will be set up in Kredemkulai in Riboi district, and the fisheries college will be set up in Garo Hills. The exact location will be decided once the fisheries department will submit the detailed of the different options that are there, but it will be in Garo Hills region. The total numbers will range in terms of the faculty that we have, because it's a ratio that has to be maintained. I don't have the exact ratio of what the faculty this ratio is, but the intake could be depending again on the faculty. We are hopeful that the intake in all the 3 colleges together would be anything between 60 to 100. I'm saying, sorry, 40 is it? 60 to 100. In the Meghalaya District Court's Ministerial Service Amendment Rules, based on a communication by the High Court, we had made some amendments. In a nutshell, this would enable the district courts to employ or to take people and conduct the interviews at the district level like it has been done in the district selection committees, instead of it being conducted by the High Court. So in the past, grade 3 and grade 4 employments and accommodation and a couple employments were interviews and examinations were conducted by the High Court. A simple rule change has been made to enable the process to be faster, that for the district courts, the respective district courts will conduct the examinations and the interviews.